Hello. This might be. Hello. Alright, so, hi guys. Welcome back. Today, I just want to explain what this video was really all about. I want to explain what this video is really all about and what I really meant in this video. Because I want people to understand what I'm saying in this video. So what I meant right here is, if I grow as a channel, especially through quarantine, where a lot of people are just going to be sitting there watching YouTube and playing whatever, their Fortnite game, whatever. Again, this is the same day I did this. I'm going to be recording a lot of videos today and throughout quarantine, a lot in the same day. Now, yes, I'm in my pajamas. Now, what I really meant here was that I think that, I think people should, acknowledge that big YouTubers have had so much fame and so much attention. They should still have so much fame and attention because they deserve that. They work very hard for that, I bet. But we, us small YouTubers, have been working very hard for our channel to grow. But everybody's focusing on those big YouTubers who just keep growing when the small YouTubers are like, hi. It's like the big YouTubers up here, we're down here. So I want people to grow. Just get big. Please. I'm begging everybody to just... I'm not asking one of those YouTubers who are asking for the subscribers and likes and everything like that. I just want people to focus on small YouTubers too. Still, again, big YouTubers, give them attention. They deserve it. But we do too. And I know that there's probably going to be a person who's going to react to my videos and be like, boy, you have 4 videos up. Listen, I have 4 videos up. I have many videos ready to be uploaded, but I've recorded so many today. And I'm just ready to upload them, but I have to edit each one by one. Taking my screen, my camera up here, and putting it down here, using, by the way, shout out to Screenomatic. And what I'm doing is I have to edit the video to the point where this thing is up here, and then editing the sound quality and everything like that. But it takes a decent amount of time to do that. I've been learning editing and stuff like that for many years now. For lots and lots of years now. Lots and lots of years now. And I think that I and smaller YouTubers and streamers deserve more. Now, again, not saying to bring down the big YouTubers. Big YouTubers, they deserve it. They worked hard through this. But, give them support. But give us support too. I want this video, if anybody's seeing this, please just get this out to people. Please get this out to people. Put it up, just do it so that it helps support me, helps support other people, other small YouTubers, shout out to my big YouTubers, do this, I've said Sniper Wolf, Azulan, Jelly, Unspeakable, More Beastie, stuff like that. They're good YouTubers. Go subscribe to them. That's perfectly fine with me. But please give us attention too, because we all deserve it. Yes, I Twitch, sorry. Please, whatever. But I just need you guys to give us attention too. Again, I'm trying to get this to you guys. I'm not trying to take down the big YouTubers, but I'm trying to say, they have a lot of attention. Give them attention, but give us attention too. We deserve it. We've working hard. Again, I have 4 videos up, but I have so many videos ready to be uploaded, but I'm still working on editing them. Sorry. I'm still working on editing them, and it's just so hard. So please just hard down. Anyone sees this, I want people to upload it and, you know, just be like, I want people to like put it up so people know. I don't want this to be something where it's the fact that nobody sees it. I want this to get out so people can have attention, because I don't know, I just feel like me, and lots of other small YouTubers and streamers who just, they deserve more because they try so hard. Like a lot of people like I do. You know, I don't. I use a free recording thing, but the screen recording. But there's YouTubers out there who and streamers who they have to work. They have to work for, you know, their screen recorders. They don't have enough, especially the kids and stuff like that. They're not just gonna get the money. So I need you guys to please just do it. I want you to do it. It's just so easy and it's so simple. You know? Please. Alright, let's continue on with this video. Whatever. Sorry, I keep hitting my mic. Here. Sorry, I keep twitching here, see? It is. It means the world to a lot of people for this, because this is what they want to be their job, and so many other people. There's so many people who are successful on YouTube, and there's so many more. Listen, how about this, YouTube? YouTube, you've gotten so successful. You're successful. You guys are probably one of the most successful apps ever possible. But I think that you need to, like, maybe, you know, you guys email, you know, the big, you know, YouTubers. Just do something. How about just tell them, shout out the small YouTubers like me and other small YouTubers, because that's gonna help your platform grow, and it's gonna attract attention more. Tell them to put it up on Instagram. Maybe people just follow them on Instagram, and that's gonna attract more people to your app. So if you do that, that means that what you're doing is you're attracting more people to your app, and you're gonna, you know, get more money, and your app's gonna be more successful. But if you just keep these YouTubers, your app will still get successful, but a lot slower, a lot more slow than if you have little streamers, YouTubers like me grow. It's gonna attract people to be like, oh, I actually do kind of like this dude. I've been watching this person for so long, but I kind of do like this dude. And then it attracts people over from Instagram to me and other people. And then it just makes your app grow. So if you could do that, that would mean the world to me. I'm making so many videos off of this because everybody deserves it. They work hard. They do so much. And I think that they deserve to have a chance. And again, big YouTubers, not bring you down. You guys are nice. You guys work hard. But maybe if you guys can, just please just do it. I don't have the best camera quality or anything. I try my best to make good. I'm trying currently to make good content for you guys, but I need you guys to help me out and help other people out. It would mean the world to anybody. Please do it. It's just so simple. Thank you. Let's continue on. like what I was saying right there. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to N55K. Go do it. He's a small YouTuber. He deserves it. I deserve it. We try. Please, just do it. Please do it. It's so simple. I'm not asking a big favor from you, but it would make so many people's day. By subscribing to me and how many other people, it would make my day. And if you subscribe to 100 different people, you would make 100 different people's lives day. Like their life. If you just do it. Because it's so simple. Please put this up. I'm not asking like a big favor, like donate stuff like YouTubers. I'm simply asking you to give smaller YouTubers a chance too. Yes, I twitch so much. I'm sorry. Please, just do it. It's so simple. It's so easy. I'm sorry, I keep hitting my mic. It's so simple. It's so easy. It's just... Just do it. You know, I'm not one of those people. I'm not one of those kind of people. Sorry, I twitched a lot. Just do it because it's so simple and it's so easy, and it's just like, I'm not asking a big favor. And honestly, it just makes so many people's day and they'd just be so happy. That's just my big main point. I'd be so happy. It's just, I beg for it. Listen, again, I'm not trying to be one of those YouTubers who's asking likes and subscribe. I'm asking you just to simply support us and other people throughout the journey. If you would like, subscribe to me, leave a like. If you would like, go to the other really small YouTubers or small YouTubers, streamers. If you want, leave a like, subscribe. Super simple, not hard. It's not hard. I don't want to cry. I'm crying. It would make my day for you guys to just think about what I'm saying into consideration and say, hey, maybe I will do this. It's gonna make so many people's day. It's gonna make my day. It's gonna make everybody's day. Whoever you do it to, they'll be so happy. I've seen so many people react to people who have a very small milestone, like 5 subscribers, and I've seen them be so happy. You go subscribe to them, it'll make their day. It'll make them so happy. They'll be so happy. Please, just do it. Not asking a big favor, just do it. Anyways, guys, I finished this video a lot. Listen, again, this will be my outro. You guys best. Thank you guys so much. Following me through the journey.